Hello, so today in this video I will be unboxing Bellabox for the month of November this month. So I haven't had Bellabox for a few months, so now I'm excited because I think this month is their 11th year, 11/11. So they said they are going to be sneaking in some extra product as a gift. So yes, let's check it out. So here it is. So their theme for this month is, oh, they don't have it. Oh yeah, I remember. I think I said I received an email that they no longer be sending like that card that they are going to send in every box, like where they will put like their theme and at the back are the products that you are getting and the ingredients. So they will be sending it in an email instead. So less paper, less trash and all that stuff. So now let's just move on unboxing. So first product is this Flora Mortis All Saints sample perfume. So this is an EDP. So the brand is All Saints. It's familiar. I'm not sure if I have received a sample from them before as well. So enigmatic, indelible floral. So let's try. So let me try. I love sample perfumes. Oh, smells good. It reminds me of the one that they have sent as well. It's like a niche. It smells like niche, but I think it's a niche brand. It is smoky but sweet. Yeah, it's really sweet. I like it. I don't get any floral or anything. It's more of like gourmand to me. It's very sweet, but it is smoky as well. I like it though. It is Flora Mortis. So next is this Blister 5-way lip protection. So there. 5-way lip protection. New formula with SPF 20. So this is great for the upcoming summer. It is perfect because I don't have any lip balm that has sun or SPF in it. So let me try this one. So what is the brand again? Blistex. Oh, Blistex. I said blister, I think. So here it is. Yep, so it's just any other lip balm. It doesn't have any stain or lip color in it, but the good thing is it has SPF 20. So that's the second product. Next is Essie full size nail polish. So they sent an email about this one to all of the members that you can choose up to a shade that you like, but I was not able to do that, so they just send random. So this is the color that I got. So I was expecting to have the nude one. They have the nude one, but well, I didn't choose, so they give random. So yes, that's the one. But I think it's a pretty shade though. It is what's the shade of this one? Peach daiquiri. So next is another sample. This is a 50+ UV protection, SPF 50 carotene. So from the brand Carotene. So it is everyday moisturizing sun care milk. So I wonder if this is for the face or this is for the body. Pro Technology sun care. So yeah, I have another. This is 15 ml. Another sun care sample. And then this one next is wipes. I like this one. Vosh. You Do You. Pocket size intimate care wipes. Yay, I love it. So this is from the brand, this one. Vosh. So how many are there inside? So it doesn't contain how many pieces. 10 cotton wipes. Only 10. It looks thick. But only 10 yet. 10 cotton wipes. Very cute packaging. And then I have another 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Truly Oil Oso from the brand Oso. Truly Oil Face Oil. Face oil with kakadu plum, snowflower, and macadamia oil. Hydrates and nourishes. So I think this is the full size. So this is 30 ml. Very nice. I like yeah, I don't have perfect because I just ran out of face oil. I'm using Aldi's Wonder Rose oil. It's actually good as well. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna show you. So it is color yellow. The color really looks like oil. Like a cooking oil. Smells like a herbal. So there. Yay, back to face oil. So I think it's down to the last one. Another sample mask, nutrition, nourishing mask for the hair. So it's a hair mask. Sample size. And then, I don't know what are, oh, they have here gift. 30% off Okay, so this is like a gift card or something. 30% Brixton. What is this? Brixton. And then we have We Worship Food, best restaurant, 20% off. And then another one for my pets. For pets. So yeah, these are just like gift cards. So I don't know which one are the gifts that they send us. But like I have 1, 2. So I have 7 products including sample sizes. So usually they have about 5 products that includes 1 or 2 full size. So this one is 7. So one of these will be the maybe a surprise gift that they snuck in. But so far it's good. I love the nail polish, the sample perfume, and the face oil, and the wipes, almost everything. So yeah. So that's it for the Bellabox month of November box. Thank you for watching, and see you again on the next unboxing.